This might be the easiest way to ever launch a digital product online. I got the tools for you, and it's gonna be under 6 minutes. Let's get it. A lot of you think you're unfamiliar with beacons, but really you're not. When you go to my Instagram and you see that website that pops up, this is a beacons website that pops up. This is beacons. All the stuff that you've been clicking is beacons. So they have all you need for creator growth. As you see, there's a bunch of different influencers and creators who've all signed up. You see the ultimate workout for 12 weeks. You can put your earnings here. This is a girl called Alexa King. Look at her examples. You can see all of her outfits. So if you want any of these outfits, you can see some of her products, her consulting, and so on. And these are some of the most popular creators on here. Maya Polar, Def Leppard, Ian Giggs. I don't know why the session's not on here, but we forgive them. Green Day, the music people, Weezer, they all use beacons. So this really a one and done. You inspire fans and you cut through the noise. So what this lets you do is it lets you curate a fully customizable link in bio to promote your products. You can skip over the algorithm and you can literally go direct to your fans or to your audience. So for me, one thing I've been able to do, I'll show you in the back end, is build an email list, sell my products, list all my products. Let me show you. I now interrupt this video to check out today's sponsor. Let's go into it. One way to keep a business, a real business that stands out from the crowd, is to build your own website, bro. You gotta know that. And when you get a .store domain, it's the perfect domain to sell anything online. One that probably actually helps you sell more. A detailed study showed that websites on a .store domain get 87% more traffic, which leads to 2x higher ranking on Google. And when customers see this, they instinctively know it's an online store, which is gonna help you sell more because they already know what they're looking for. Wow, that rhymed. So a .store domain is built for sellers. It's the perfect domain for anyone looking to sell anything online. And it's no wonder that you see Cristiano Ronaldo, Emirates Airlines, Mr. Beast, over 1.5 million sellers that trust .store domains. And for a limited period of time, you can get a domain for just 99 cents by using code SESH. That's code SESH, and it'll be 99 cents. Now you can buy this domain using websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, but to get the 99-cent discount that we have here, the special, you got to use the link below in the description and you got to use that code. And as an added bonus, when you buy a .store domain, you also unlock Elevate.store Plus. Yeah, you heard me, the plus version, that way. And what that's going to do is give you free access to deals, discounts, and tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and it's going to be helping you on your online store and dropshipping journey today. So make sure you check out the description right now, click that link, and enter code SESH and tell them the session sent you. And so you see how easy it is with a couple clicks of a button. You're customizing and tailoring all the different buttons, posts, whatever you want on your page can be set up right here. And when you go over to the left, you see digital products. So once you click that, it's going to show you your digital products, your reviews, your inquiries, and look at all these products that I have here. All different prices, you can make them free, whatever you want, right? And the cool thing about this is that when you go to sales or analytics, you'll be able to see who's been clicking your things, how many followers you got. You see 725,000, not too bad. You can see all of your social media activity, and with your digital products, you can see all of your products in the sales sold. So in the last year, you can see some of the products I sold. I have over 4,000 views and we have over $1,000 in earnings. So there's 1,000 orders in here. A lot of these things were free. You see, free. But the thing I like about this is you can actually set up and build your audience and communicate directly with your audience. So you see there's 3,000 people I can email right now. 3,000 people willingly gave me their email. 14 people out of that bought something from me. So this is an amazing place where you can set up everything. And they even have a media kit for your brand collabs. Yeah, so I lied to you not. That Beacons is one of a kind. You can build your dream brand partnerships, sponsorships. I get a lot of partnerships every single day, a lot of offerings, and I use Beacons as my media kit. As you see, there's tons of people getting paid, your own data, your own stats, get paid to do what you deserve and what you like to do. So here you have Beacons as the #1 easiest way to launch a digital product. I don't think it gets easier. Let me know if you've ever heard of Beacons before. Everything you need to sign up for them or try them out will be in the description below. At numero dos, we have Gumroad. Now, if you never heard of Gumroad, it's fire. Now, let me tell you some of the pros and cons. One of the cons is ugly. Okay, you're not going to get that much customization. You're not going to be able to move things, drag things here and there. With Beacons, you get a lot of customization, a lot of different bells and whistles. With Gumroad, what I like is the functionality. Let me explain. You can go from $0 to $1. So with Gumroad, you can list things that cost as low or as little as free, $1, whatever price that you want, and you can start selling with a couple clicks. So you know how you get those great, incredible ideas? This is giving you a diagram of how you start small, you learn quickly, you get better together, and it encompasses the Gumroad way. So one of the things that's cool here is that instead of selling a book, you start selling a blog post. You can sell all of your posts here. If you have a members only club or unit that you want people to be a part of, you can have them join it here. You can sell anything on here, your favorite lists, PDFs. Hey, give me your email and download this. This is where you can do that at, right here on Gumroad. And another reason why I like this is that you can sell to anyone. So when you start building a loyal following, simple posts, newsletters, they have automated workflows. Anything you can imagine can be done right here through Gumroad, and it's very reputable. It's kind of like Etsy. You know how Etsy doesn't allow for too much customization when you go to someone's Etsy page. Similar backgrounds, similar things, but what it does allow is trust, functionality. I love it, and you can sell to anyone. And another thing that's cool is that you can sell anywhere. So you can customize your storefront with the all-in-one platform to choose your personal site instead. You know, you can use Zapier, you can use all the different integrations that connect directly to Gumroad. And these are just some of the things you can sell here on Gumroad. They have 3D drawings, audio files, you know, audiobooks, stuff like that, comics, graphics, drawings, paintings, fiction books, film, fitness, music. Bro, it goes on and on and on. But to show you I'm not capping and that I've actually used it, let me open it up on the back end. All right, to show you I'm not capping and how simple it is, you can literally list all of your products right here. You see I have quite a few products listed all right here. You can see the revenue made from each of the products. You can see the price, if it's published, or if you want it for your team members only, you want them just to see what the product looks like before you publish it to the world. It's all available right there. And they have something called affiliated. So what that means, you can become an affiliate and earn. So every time you get somebody to sign up for Gumroad, you get paid. You get how simple that is? Every time you get someone to sign up for Beacons or Gumroad, you get paid. So you can become an affiliate with just a click. I'll have that link below for you. And one of the things that separates Gumroad from the others is that you can actually collaborate with other collaborators. You know, other influencers that do the same thing as you. If you have a fitness program and John got a fitness program, both of y'all can lock in and collab together and under one place and grow both of your audiences. So let's say someone has 50K and you have 50K subs, both of y'all combined, you can share your audiences and start getting paid double. You know what I mean? So they also have emails, they have workflows, they have your analytics. And just so you can see, the sales do come directly through. $400 in sales, we were able to get some, and you can see exactly where they came from. And this is going to deposit right into your bank account. So Gumroad is super simple, but remember, in order to withdraw your payments, you have to have at least $10 sold in order to withdraw to your bank account. Other than that, Gumroad is a banger, Beacons is a banger, the sponsor is a banger. Let me know what you thought of this video. And remember to get your .store domain for free and everything you saw in this video, all the links are going to be in the description, and you're going to use code SESH, S-E-S-H. That's going to get you your .store domain for just 99 cents. And all your discounts will be below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below what's your favorite part of the video or your favorite video of mine I should do next. You did!